Latelyai Honest Review: How Latelyai's content creation tool boosts productivity. Creating content consistently can be exhausting, but Latelyai promises to streamline the process using AI. I tested it extensively, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume AI tools just generate generic posts, but the surprising truth is Latelyai analyzes existing content, identifies key themes, and creates optimized social media posts and marketing materials. This saves hours of manual writing. Getting started was straightforward. I uploaded articles, blog posts, and video transcripts, and the AI generated multiple social media drafts in minutes. The tool suggests hashtags, tone adjustments, and post scheduling to maximize engagement. The dashboard is intuitive. You can review content, make edits, and schedule directly to platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Analytics track performance, helping refine future content. The downside: some outputs need human editing to sound natural, and the premium plan is needed for advanced automation features. Still, the time saved is significant. In conclusion, Latelyai is a powerful content creation tool that boosts productivity by turning long-form content into ready-to-publish social media posts. For marketers, creators, and businesses seeking efficiency, it's definitely worth trying in 2025.